Amit, welcome. Thanks for the great collaboration we have been having with LTI. Please tell us a little bit more about yourself.
Sure. Thanks, Omkar, for having me. I'm Amit Unde. I'm a CTO for LTI's insurance business unit. I'm based out of Hartford, Connecticut. You probably know about LTI. LTI is one of the leading global consulting firm. We are part of a $21 billion Larsen & Toubro group. We kind of specialize in cloud native, digital and data solutions.
I hear that you have done some cutting edge work in modernizing traditional applications over to IBM Cloud and cloud native services. Give us a little bit more background about it.
Sure. So we are doing a very exciting work here. What we are doing is modernizing our smart underwriting solution suite that we have developed for insurance industry. So we required a variety of capabilities here. Right? We require advanced AI models for risk insights that we create for underwriters. We require underwriters workflow automation capabilities. We require rules engine. So variety of capabilities. So this solution kind of is like a panacea for solving underwriters all the problems that they have. And what we are doing it, we are developing it in a modular format as a service. So our clients can leverage any capability that they need as a service. So they don't have to replace their underwriting solution, but they can incrementally adopt these services and enrich their solution. So that's the idea here. So very cutting edge solution.
You're also using some of the leading technologies from IBM's hybrid cloud portfolio, in particular related to the cloud packs as well as IBM Cloud. So if you can tell us about your journey to IBM's hybrid cloud, that will be great.
What we needed is we needed a open cloud platform, a hybrid cloud platform that can be deployed on any cloud. And also what we needed is speed to market capabilities. So technologies that are configurable and where our productivity will be high from the start. And IBM's Cloud Pak kind of tick all those requirements, and that's why we chose it. And our journey has been spectacular, and thanks to IBM's team's help as well there. But our time to market is quite impressive. To give an example, that we developed 2 services with advanced analytical model in about 3 months' time. So very impressed with what Cloud Pak has been able to do it for us.
Very good, terrific. And I mean, does this collaboration, not only from a technical standpoint, open up some business opportunities for your insurance practice and LTI as well, collaborating with IBM?
Oh, yes, definitely it does. Because if you see, this is kind of a very unique solution, right? There is nothing like this in the market right now where the capabilities are available as a service and you can choose and integrate that with what you have. So it kind of gives us that differentiator that how we can help our clients. We are not only bringing our expertise here, but we are bringing something tangible, ready to deploy. And we can deploy it on a cloud of their choice, or we can deploy it on IBM Cloud and they can consume it as a service. So it's a completely a flexible solution and completely configurable solution. So it gives us that unique differentiator that we were looking for.
Very good. So Amit, I know this is holiday season. I appreciate you taking the time. Have a great new year, and I'm sure we'll collaborate further. And good luck to you and LTI. So thank you so much from IBM for being such a great partner.
Thank you for having me, Omkar. I wish you very prosperous New Year's coming forward.